Hi everyone, welcome back to Voice of Crypto's daily news wrap, where we talk about all things crypto, blockchain, and Web 3.0. Well, before taking a look at the top news of the day, let's take a quick look at the global crypto market cap, which was down by over 3% in the last day, trading around the 850 billion US dollar mark. Bitcoin's fall by over 3%. Bitcoin was down by 3.78% in the last one day, and it had lost the 17,500 US dollar mark. And this loss that Bitcoin's price saw had largely triggered the global crypto market cap fall that had happened in the last day. A look at the top altcoins also suggested quite a grim appearance in terms of price, with Ethereum price down by 4.8% on the daily, while ETH was still up by 1.46% on the weekly. The over 4.5% losses on the daily chart largely favored bears. We can see that BNB is in no good shape either, down by 3.85% on the daily and over 9% on the weekly chart. Even on the short-term 1-hour chart, we can see BNB, XRP, and Dogecoin were noting massive losses. XRP was down by over 3% on the daily chart. Dogecoin was down by 65% on the daily chart, and over 11% on the weekly. In terms of the weekly chart, we can see that BNB and Dogecoin were a few of the top losers in terms of the prices of last week. A look at the 9th and 10th ranked altcoins, cryptocurrencies, showed that Cardano was down by over 3%, while Polygon was down by 4.4% on the daily. Both Cardano and Matic were noting losses on their weekly charts as well. So all in all, the larger market seemed to favor bears more, which means that the larger market can see a negative turn in the following days as well. A quick look at the weekly chart for Bitcoin suggests that as a new week takes up, Bitcoin's price notes a major uptick. However, as soon as weekend approaches, weekend takes over and Bitcoin's price falls down. And this sort of a pattern is more of a pump and dump sort of pattern, where Bitcoin's price notes a minor 2 to 3% gain and falls back to the similar low levels soon. This gives a lot of this gives lower opportunities to traders, especially day traders, to function. A look at the trending tokens. The top trending token suggested that Bitcoin, Pancake, Terra's LUNC or Terra Classic, Ethereum, FTT, and ARC were a few of the top trending tokens. One interesting token here was the Argentinian Football Association fan token, which was up by a massive 89.18%, almost 90%. The ARG token, it's a fan token. We shall take a quick look at this token. It was on the 565 rank, but it had noted a massive uptick in the last few days. A look at its weekly chart suggests that the token rose from under $3 to around $5. So almost double gains this token has witnessed, and this could largely be due to Argentina being in the finals, which has sort of had fans on the edge of their seats. But before we take a look at the top gainers and losers of the day, an interesting news comes from the NFT markets, where the Trump collection of NFTs is finally out. In fact, this NFT, which has been released by Trump, has been made fun of on the internet, where on crypto Twitter we see people cringing around this set of NFTs, saying that the NFTs even have a commercial for it.
Hello everyone, this is Donald Trump, hopefully your favorite president of all time, better than Lincoln, better than Washington, with an important announcement to make. I'm doing my first official Donald J. Trump NFT collection right here and right now. They're called Trump Digital Trading Cards. These cards feature some of the really incredible.
So Trump digital trading cards are the NFTs that Donald Trump has released. How they're going to work out is something that only time will tell, but for now there is a lot of criticism in the market for these NFTs. Moving on, new data shows that there is quite a lot of hope for Bitcoin in the future. Data from Delphi Digital suggests that historic Q4 performance provides a hopeful future for Bitcoin. While Bitcoin has usually had great returns after Q3 ends in Q4 or quarter 4, whether a similar trajectory will be followed by Bitcoin is something that remains to be seen, especially now with half of December over. Whether Bitcoin can chart those massive gains that Bitcoin usually does is something that still remains to be seen. We'll quickly turn back to our top losers and gainers of the day. Not many gainers in the day as the market took bearish turn, but Chili's managed to gain over 4%. XDC Networks, XDC coin gained close to 5%. Celo token gained over 4%. Bitcoin SV, Mutable X's, IMX token decreed were a few other gainers. However, in terms of losses, we can see that the Neutrino USD, which is Neutrino's stablecoin, has been down by over 34% in the last 1 week. It fell by over 17% in the last 1 day itself. We can clearly see that USDN has lost the $1 peg that most stablecoins are supposed to hold. Followed by the USDN coin, we have Ton coin, which was down by over 6%, Trust Wallets token, which was down by over 6%, Stacks is STX token down by 6.5%, Ethereum proof of work token ETHW down by over 6%. Then there was BitDAO's token, which was down by over 6%. Chains, XCN token, Phantom, Near Protocol, Clayton, Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin, CurveDAO, CRV token all noted over 5% losses. Even Solana and Flow had over 5% daily losses as the larger crypto environment still continued to be grim. However, with the New Year's and Christmas season approaching, will Bitcoin in fact take a turn, and can Bitcoin achieve the $20,000 mark up from the under $1,750 mark? Well, this is something that we shall see only with time. Until then, stay tuned to Voice of Crypto's YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow with more such content.